Hello everyone, welcome to Tools Hub, where innovation meets imagination. Today, we're exploring tools and inventions that prove human creativity has no limits. Ready to be amazed? Let's dive in. There are moments when no words are needed. Just look at the skill and precision in each movement. The result is absolute satisfaction. Every worker's dream come true. This mechanism takes heavy work and turns it into simple operations. It's not just a tool, it's your commanding stick on the construction stage. Hilti follows every command with perfect power and rhythm. This is not just ice, it is frozen beauty. Press it into a jewel-like ice cube and let your champagne sparkle. This gear is being meticulously shaped by high-temperature cutting. Every spark you see is a step towards perfect performance. Working with pipes used to be a test of patience. Now, it's like you've unlocked a whole new level of convenience. Tight jar lids getting you down? This handy tool helps you open them easily and effortlessly. Roofing with precision requires experience. Now this machine makes you look like a real craftsman. I can't imagine how they would have separated this cable sheet, or how long it would have taken without the aid of this machine. Clogged drain? Forget the plunger. This clever device does it in seconds. No mess, no fuss. Zipper stuck again? No worries. This little device fixes it in seconds and fits in your pocket. Always ready when you need it. This is what happens when smart machines meet delicious food. A match made in heaven. Fighting forest fires with airplanes has always been the most effective way. It is dangerous, of course, but it is truly a sight to behold. If you value portability, this portable tool table is a smart solution. It's the sound of 20,000 volts of electricity. Take a moment to honor the unsung heroes who keep the lights on. When a car goes into water with the windows open, it is no longer just a car. It becomes an amphibious vehicle. The real question is, who is more afraid of whom, the river or the car? Imagine a barista who never gets angry, is always on time, and doesn't accept tips. This coffee robot serves up authentic drinks without complaint. Who says you need years of welding experience to create a good weld? With this machine, you can get started in just a few minutes. Say goodbye to long cleaning hours. This smart tool gets the job done fast and effortlessly. Think about it. How long has it been since you cleaned your chandelier? This handy tool can reach those hard-to-reach corners and leave your chandelier looking as good as new. Have you ever seen dry blasting? It cleans by blowing out abrasive particles with compressed air, extremely effective at removing rust or old coatings. Looks like a mini tank, but is actually the ideal ski trainer. Grip and glide like a winter pro. Say goodbye to smoke and steam. This smart machine cleans your kitchen with the push of a button. If this scene looks familiar, rest assured, the fix you need is finally here. Who says work can't be fun? 4 screens make work a joy every day. You'd be surprised how easy it is to create a perfect sphere. Take a closer look and you'll see why the results are so smooth. Welcome to where nails are born. Each one begins its journey here. A process that is powerful, precise, and captivating. No one likes to fold all day. With this tool, you just put it in and the rest is done automatically. A small invention, but a big time saver. Don't let the heat get you down. Attach this mini fan to your stroller and you'll always have a cool breeze at your back. I bet any electrician, veteran or new, would want to own this great tool. Don't let this be the last video you see from us. Subscribe so you don't miss out on more great videos. No more struggling to carry a large water jug. This handy gadget gives you better control. Now, carrying water becomes more comfortable and less strenuous. This is a serious warning to those who like to do things half-heartedly. This method will give your floors a level of perfection that is hard to believe. See for yourself after watching. With just a push of a button, this machine will take care of the entire packaging process for you. Feel free to leave your comments below. From floors, tiles to sinks, Everything gets sparkling clean with this steamer. It's like you've hired a professional cleaning crew in one compact device. A tool with endless possibilities, treating every piece of wood as if it were touched by a professional sculptor. Sanding, cutting, and finishing, it brings magic to every detail. CNC machines are probably the gold standard if you need both speed and absolute precision. No more complicated measurements for sockets. This tool helps you locate them accurately in seconds. Don't underestimate its size. These scissors prove that compact can still be incredibly powerful. Laser welding is a process that uses a high-intensity laser beam to join metals with minimal heat input, creating a precise and strong weld. It is the ideal companion for anyone who loves convenience. From small repairs to complex jobs, it all fits in one device. It's hard to take your eyes off this endless conveyor belt. It's an indispensable machine for large-scale tasks. Looking at this moment, I remember a familiar saying, "Work smart instead of working hard." I bet you've never seen a design as unique as this. The paddle and the water scoop are perfect together. It's impossible to take your eyes off this colorful, sparkling ornament. It turns the entire tree into a work of art. Thank you for watching our video. Hope you found useful tools for yourself. We wish you have a good day. Goodbye, and see you again.